Okay, students, then we come to radiation momentum and pressure. Okay, so here electromagnetic waves transport momentum as well as energy. We know that, right? Electromagnetic waves transport momentum and energy. For example, like electromagnetic waves, light waves are the electromagnetic waves, as they are having momentum, and also light waves are having energy. We know that. So we can say electromagnetic waves transport momentum as well as energy, and we know radiation is the electromagnetic wave, right? When the momentum is observed by a surface, pressure is exerted on the surface. So when the momentum means we know P is equal to m into v, mass into velocity. Okay, a momentum is observed by a plane surface. What happens? Pressure is exerted on the surface. This we can observe in experiment, which we can say that as Crookes radiometer. Okay, right. So let a wave transport a total energy del u, okay, in a time interval del t, then the pressure we can write del p is equal to del u by c, where c is the velocity of light, as light is an electromagnetic wave. Okay, right. Now we know if the surface is totally reflecting, for example, this is the reflecting surface which is totally reflecting. Okay, a photon goes from a momentum in forward direction. A photon goes in a forward direction with a momentum, okay, to the surface area, which reflects back in the reverse direction with the same magnitude with double momentum. Okay, if it is a reflecting surface and a momentum is goes to the reflecting surface in a forward direction, it reflects back, okay, with double the momentum, right? So that is change in the momentum. Del p is equal to del p is equal to del u by c and barkandivala. So del p is equal to double the momentum it reflects, which we can say that as 2 into del u by c. Okay, and we can write the ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಡೆನ್ಸಿಟಿ. ಯು ಈಸ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಡೆನ್ಸಿಟಿ ಅಂತ ಮೊದಲು ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿವಿ, ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ದ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಡೆನ್ಸಿಟಿ, ಚೇಂಜ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಡೆನ್ಸಿಟಿ del u is equal to IA into del t, as del t is the time interval. Okay, as I is the intensity and A is the area of the reflecting surface, right? And if the energy is completely absorbed, there will be a gain of momentum. Here if the energy is completely absorbed, then del p can be written as, okay, IA into del t by c. Okay, del p is equal to 2 into, okay, del u is IA del t by c. Okay, actually 2 is what? When it reflects back, ಹೌದಾ? when the surface is totally a reflecting surface ಅಂದಾಗ ನಾವು 2 ಬರಿತೀವಿ. if not, del p is equal to just what? del u by c ಅಂತ. here it is del p is equal to del u by c, and del u is equal to IA into del t by c, right? so del p is equal to IA into del p, that is del u by c ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು. and if it is a totally reflecting surface, then we can write that as IA 2IA into del t by c ಅಂತ ಬರಿತೀವಿ. from the impulse momentum equation we can write F is equal to del p by del t. okay, force is equal to F is equal to del p by del t, or we can write that as del t in is F into del t is equal to del p ಅಂತ. okay, F del t, which is equal to del p, we know IA into del t by c, just we are writing that. so del t gets cancelled, F is equal to IA by c. and if the wave is totally a reflecting surface which is 2, doubles the momentum, ಹೌದಲ್ಲ? so F is equal to 2 IA by c ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. and as we know pressure, radiation, this is radiation momentum and radiation pressure is as usual force per unit area. so force is what? 2IA by c, or if it is just moving in a forward direction, this is IA by c into 1 by A. what we get? A gets cancelled, we'll get I by c. and if it is a totally reflecting surface, a perfectly reflecting surface, we can write that pressure is equal to 2 into I by c. okay, and this is the pressure of radiation, that is radiation exert a pressure of I by c, and for a totally reflecting surface it is 2I by c. pressure is having a momentum of IA by C, which is we can say that as a force only, right? And for direct sunlight, the radiation pressure is about 5 into 10 power minus 6 Newton per meter square. This is the value for us. Okay, so for the direct sunlight, the radiation pressure is 5 into 10 power minus 6 Newton per meter square. So for the second point is there, no? What is that? When the momentum is observed by a surface, pressure is exerted on the surface. When the momentum is observed by a surface, pressure is exerted on the surface. ಇದನ್ನೇ ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಕ್ರೂಕ್ಸ್ ರೇಡಿಯೋಮೀಟರಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಫರ್ ಲೈಕ್ ವೆನ್ ಅ ಕಾಮೆಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ವೆರಿ ನಿಯರ್ ಟು ದ ಸನ್. Okay, when a comet is going very near to the sun, the tail appears to be very large. ಹೌದಾ? ಅಂದರೆ ಟೈಲ್ ಲೆಂತ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆದಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತದೆ. ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್? ವೆನ್ electromagnetic radiation or the momentum in that is electromagnetic radiation, the energy is in the form of photons, right? So photons means they are moving, means they are having some momentum. Howda? Momentum, when it is exerted on any body, what happens? Pressure is exerted on the body. So momentum comet tail mele biddaga pressure is exerted on a body. So pressure apply ಆದಾಗ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಆ ಟೈಲ್ ಲಾರ್ಜ್ ಆಗಿ ನಮಗೆ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತದೆ, ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗಿ ನಮಗೆ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ರೇಡಿಯೇಷನ್ ಮೊಮೆಂಟಮ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪ್ರೆಷರ್. ಓಕೆ, ರೈಟ್. ದೆನ್ ವಿ ಕಮ್ ಟು ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ವಿಚ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟ್? ಕ್ರೂಕ್ಸ್ ರೇಡಿಯೋಮೀಟರ್. Okay, so Crookes radiometer is what? Which is a device to measure the intensity of heat radiation. Okay, it is used to measure the intensity of heat radiation. ಇಂಟೆನ್ಸಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ಹೀಟ್ ರೇಡಿಯೇಷನ್ ಮೆಷರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಕ್ರೂಕ್ಸ್ ರೇಡಿಯೋಮೀಟರ್ನ ನಾವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ರೈಟ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ರೂಕ್ಸ್ ರೇಡಿಯೋಮೀಟರ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ 2 light aluminum rods R and R. Okay, 2 aluminum rods R and R fixed at right angles to each other, and these blocks are called as vanes, and vanes are fixed at the ends of the 2 aluminum rods, which are suspended on a small thin quartz fiber. Okay, which are in a evacuated glass tube, right? And of them 2 vanes are polished means they are in the same color, and 2 vanes are with blackened surface, right? Now how this Crookes radiometer works? Okay, when the radiation falls on the blackened surface, ಈ ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕೆನ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ మీద ರೇಡಿಯೇಷನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಲೈಕ್ ಲೈಟ್, ಎನಿ ಲೈಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಸನ್ಲೈಟ್, ಹೀಟ್ ರೇಡಿಯೇಷನ್, ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್, ಸನ್ಲೈಟ್ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಬೇಡ. ಓಕೆ, ವೆನ್ ದ ರೇಡಿಯೇಷನ್ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕೆನ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್, ದ ವೇನ್ಸ್ ಬಿಗಿನ್ ಟು ರೊಟೇಟ್. ಯಾಕೆ ಥರ ರೊಟೇಟ್ ಆಗ್ತವ? ವೇನ್ಸ್ ರೊಟೇಟ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆರ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್. ಓಕೆ, ರೈಟ್. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ these veins are just like this only. Okay, they are not moving, right? Now if we apply some pressure here, okay, if we apply some pressure here and some pressure here, what happens? They rotate in this direction, howda, right? So when the radiation falls on the blackened surface, the veins begin to rotate in such a direction that blackened surfaces continuously moves in this direction. Okay, it is because blackened surface absorb the heat radiation or light radiation, whatever, right? Even at the low temperatures also. Thus there is a temperature difference between these two, right? Blackened surface and this normal surface. Okay, as a consequence we can say the radiation exerts pressure on the two faces. Okay, so ivu just normal surfaces, these are the blackened surfaces. When the radiation exerts on these two veins, that is the blackened veins, they rotate in this direction. That is for this consequence we can say there is a difference between the two, as the pressure, the radiation exerts some pressure anta. Okay, so this is known as radiometer effect. ಇವು ರೋಟೇಟ್ ಆಗ್ತವಲ್ಲ, ಈ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟ್ನೇ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ ರೇಡಿಯೋಮೀಟರ್ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. Okay, now the speed of rotation depends upon the intensity of heat radiation. ಎಷ್ಟು ಸ್ಪೀಡಿಂದ ಇವು ರೊಟೇಟ್ ಆಗ್ತವ ಅಂದರೆ ದ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ರೊಟೇಟ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಇಂಟೆನ್ಸಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ದ ಹೀಟ್ ರೇಡಿಯೇಷನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಆಗಿ ಅವು ರೊಟೇಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಬರ್ತವೆ ನಮಗೆ. ಓಕೆ ರೈಟ್. ಸೊ ನೌ ಹೌ ದ again how we can say that how we can measure the intensity or pressure of the radiation means depends upon the velocity or depends upon the speed of the waves. We come to know the radiation is high or the radiation is low. Like this the Crookes radiometer works. That means from the Crookes radiometer we can understand that the radiation exerts some pressure. How the radiation exerts some pressure means from this, like when the intensity of radiation or when the electromagnetic radiation incident on this surface, okay, that is the intensity on this surface. If the electromagnetic radiation incident on this surface, there is no rotation of waves. Okay, when the radiation incident on this blackened surface, then only they rotate in this direction. And you know why they not rotate in this direction means when the pressure exert on this, they have to rotate in this direction only, not in this direction. If the radiation is from here, then we can say they rotate in this direction. Okay, so how they rotate? When the pressure applied on the veins. Okay, so how the pressure is applying? Because of the radiation. That means we can say that the radiation exerts some pressure, okay, on the blackened surfaces. This we come to know from the Crookes radiometer. Okay, the branch of heat which deals with measurement of high temperatures is called as a pyrometry. Okay, pyrometry means the branch of heat. Okay, it is which deals with measure of high temperatures is called as pyrometry, and the device used for this is called as pyrometer. The device used for the measurements of high temperatures is called as pyrometers. Okay, so this is a Crookes radiometer, right? Okay.